What's up, guitar players? This is Jen, and in today's lesson, we're going to do the Intro to Michelle by the Beatles. Now, it's a quick little 4-measure intro, but it's going to work a lot with finger independence, so get ready for a little bit of a challenge. You're going to start on the 3rd string, and you're going to do 10, and then put your other fingers on 9 and 8 on the 2nd string and 1st string. So it's this little chord. Now you're going to strike the 3rd string and then strike both the 2nd and 1st together. Just like that. So now keep your 1st finger where it is, and I want you to hold this little shape, which is 9, 9, and 8. And do the same picking. So 3rd string and then 2nd string and 1st string together. So you have now keep your 3rd finger where it is, and you're going to move to 8, 9, and 8. This looks like a little D shape and the exact same picking. Now all you have to do for this next shape is take your 1st finger and move it back to the 7th fret. So then you have 7, 9, and 8. Same picking. So that's just going to be slide your 1st finger back. So the first 2 measures are going to sound like this. Next, we're going to move our 1st finger back to the 6th fret. And I like to use my pinky here, so you have 6, 6, and 8. But if it feels more comfortable, feel free to use your 3rd finger. But pinky is a little more comfortable to me. So same picking pattern. Now, take your pinky off or your 3rd finger off and hit 6, 6, and 6. And then get your pinky over to 9 on the 2nd string. You're going to hit it like that. So let's hear what that sounds like. So starting on 6. Now you're going to move your 3rd finger to the 4th string, 9th fret, and your 1st finger is going to bar on strings 2 and 1 on the 7th fret. So now you want to make sure that you're muting this 3rd string underneath. So you have 9, mute, 7, 7. And what you're going to do is you're going to do this quick slide up a half step. So you've got here just sliding to 10, 8, and 8. Just like that. And then you're going to strike 8 again. So it's like, and then you're staying right there. Strike that 10 on the 4th string, 8 and 8, but use an upstroke back to 10. Let's hear what that sounds like. So let's put those last 2 measures together. So starting on 6. Now let's try to put the whole thing together nice and slow. Remember, if you're not ready to play it all in time just yet, it's okay, use a slow downer. But this is just to give you an idea of how it's supposed to sound slow. Okay, here we go. So start 10, 9, and 8. 9, 9, and 8. 8, 9, and 8. 7, 9, and 8. Now 6, 6, 8. 6, 6, 6. Hit that 9 on the 2nd string. Now get ready, slide. Let's do that one more time without me yapping. And that is the intro. That's all you've got to do. Now remember, try to keep your fingers as close to the strings as possible. So in these same little shapes. So when you have, here moving to here, try not to lift off and then replace everything. See how you can move your fingers the smallest amount to get to the next shape. Even if you need to go finger by finger here, instead of making these big movements, because I think that's the mistake that a lot of people make, which causes them to play slower, is that if we're going here, moving like that, it just takes a lot of time. That's it. So efficiency of movement, of motion, that's really important for this one. And then try to get everything really clean in your strum hand. So it's not just like... I just made up that song. I just wrote it right now. But get it really, really clean. Watch your strumming hand. And it's okay to look over here and say, oh, what's going on over here? Oh. Because a lot of times we want to focus on our fretting hand, and then the strumming hand does exactly. That's my interpretation of the strumming hand doing whatever it wants. So this, as always, is a Patreon supported video. I have these amazing patrons that you are seeing right now. Not actually seeing. Well, maybe seeing. I don't know. That would be a little creepy, but you're seeing their names scroll up, and they have been supporting me for a very long time. So thank you to them, because they're keeping these videos going, as you know. If you're interested in finding out how to support, please go to www.patreon.com/JenTrani, and you can see all the rewards that you can get for supporting these videos. And that's cool. I like rewards. I like them a lot. I think that's it. Let me know if you need any help with anything, and I'll talk to you soon. I don't even know it. I lost it. My brain has stopped working. Where am I?